Okay guys, today's video I am going to discuss regarding theories of emulsification. Okay, so these theories of emulsions or emulsification are described to explain the stability of emulsions. So based on the theories we can say the stability of emulsion. So there are four types of theories. So first one is monomolecular adsorption theory. Monomolecular adsorption theory. Second one is multimolecular adsorption theory. Third one is solid particle adsorption theory. And lastly, coalescence or formation of electrical double layer. So these are the four theories. So now we will discuss one by one. So first we will discuss regarding first theory, that is monomolecular theory. So here what you are doing is we are mixing oil and water. We are mixing oil and water. When you are mixing this oil and water, oil is going to disperse as a globules into the continuous phase. So the picture is like this. So this is oil and this is water. Oil droplets is dispersed into the water. So when there is a dispersion of oil droplets into the water, there will be a increase in the surface area and surface free energy. There will be increase in surface area and surface free energy. So due to increase in surface area and surface free energy, this system will become unstable. The system will become unstable. Now what we have to do is you add surfactants to this system. Add surfactants to this system. So when you are adding surfactants to this system, it will adsorb on the oil water interface. It will adsorb on the oil water interface like this, and it will form a layer, single layer, so that it is called as monomolecular adsorption. Okay, adsorption means the accumulation of particles at the surface. On surface the surfactant molecules are accumulating and forming like one layer, so that it is called as monomolecular adsorption theory. Okay, so due to the formation of this theory and due to the formation of this layer, the coalescence of the globules will be stopped, so that the emulsion will become stable. So this is regarding monomolecular. Next is multimolecular. So here in multimolecular adsorption theory we are going to use hydrophilic polymers. We are going to use hydrophilic polymers. Why we are using specifically hydrophilic polymers means these hydrophilic polymers are having the capacity to form very rigid film. Very rigid film. Okay. So when you are adding these hydrophilic polymers into this oil water mixture, it will form like a layers over the surface, so that it will reduce the coalescence of the particles, so that the emulsion will become stable. So here instead of single layer it will form multi layers, more than one layer, so that it is called as multimolecular adsorption. And next third one is solid particle. So you know we are going to add the emulsifying agents in the emulsion to stabilize as a stabilizers. So many clays and inorganic substances we are going to use as a emulsifying agents. So when you are adding this clays and inorganic substances as an emulsifiers, what is happening is these solid particles will adsorb on this oil water interface. It will adsorb onto the surface of oil water interface, and it will prevent the coalescence of the globules, so that the emulsion will become stabilized. That is regarding the solid particles adsorption. And next, last one is coalescence or the electrical double layer. So here oil, if you see, it contain both the particles, positive and negative particles. So when you take negative particles and you disperse into the medium, then it will combine with the positive particles of the medium, and it will form a very tightly bound layer. It will form very tightly bound layer because opposite charges are combining, so that it will form a tightly bound layer. So besides this tightly bound layer, there will be loosely bound layer of remaining positive charges. Okay, so the positive charge, as the tightly bound layer is there, it will protect the globules from the coalescence, so the emulsion will be stabilized. Okay, and here the loosely bound layer surface is called as, the surface of this loosely bound layer is called as shear plane. Shear plane. Okay, and the charges or the electrical charge of this layer can be called as zeta potential. So the surface of loosely bound layer is called as shear plane, and the charges of that loosely bound layer called as zeta potential. So loosely bound layer will be formed due to the presence of positive ions. So this is regarding the theories of emulsification.